The what?
The never mind.
Okay. Oh, you got it?
Yeah, about the
Oh, hey, what's up, y'all? All right, I'm gonna bring you the remote control. Interesting. But anyway, welcome, y'all. Spin this. All right.
Oh no.
All right. All right. This is cool, huh?
Sorry.
The spinning thing. Or spinning top.
Oh, it's a fidget spinner.
Fidget spinner.
Yeah.
Well, whatever.
Sound weird, huh?
No, it don't sound weird. You sound weird.
Fidget.
Fidget. You sound weird, man. You cut it off, I guess.
No, what the hell?
What the hell? What you mean? Why am I playing with this thing? Because you told me to. I bet people getting bored seeing this, huh? Seeing me showing people playing me playing with this. I bet they changing the channel or clicking to another video.
Are you serious?
Are you serious? I'm not serious. I'm joking. Well, you having trouble with the. Never mind. What are you having trouble with? Well, while I'm playing with this.
Oh no.
Oh no! What's the matter? All right. I guess I should have bought this with my own toy. Maybe you didn't hook it up. He didn't hook it up, y'all. So, all right, that's enough. All right, so, huh? You darn Skippy. Look what he doing, y'all. Well, never mind what he doing. So anyway, y'all. I bet Nyla gonna watch this, you know. Nyla got a Facebook. You hear me? Yeah, Nyla, I said, what you gonna do about it? Nyla gonna whip my behind. I'm not gonna say that 5-letter word, you know.
What 5 words? Know what it be?
Wait, what happened?
Who happened?
I don't remember it looking like that.
I changed it.
How you change it?
I forgot. I think you go to settings.
It usually go dun 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 dun.
Oh, you talking about the
When it first come on. You don't have to change it. Yep. I remember. What did you hack into it and change it? I mean, added some games on it.
Oh, I mean, I could if I want to, but
Yeah, but I like Nintendo more, you know. Sonic 1, Reginald Sonic. Sega. So it's your first, your favorite one?
no, my favorite was Mario 2. I mean, not Mario, Sonic 2.
Wait, put the code in. Up, down, left, right. Up, down, left, right. All right.
I done it.
Well, press start. All right. Try up, down, left, right. Up, down, left, right. If you hit a ring sign, hurry up. Up, down, left, right. No.
I heard a ring sound when I done it once.
Oh. Press start
What
again.
it's supposed to do?
All right. When you heard the ringing sound, hold the A button and then press start. There you go.
Yeah.
You-
I've done it once, but I want to. I want to pass the whole thing.
Oh, you gonna play the whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. You can reset it. You want to play the whole thing and go to reset.
No.
No, yeah. No. Game reset. You're right. No, press on the game reset.
You sure?
Positive.
Oh, you don't know.
The game will reset. It's gonna reset, not the whole system. There you go.
Oh yeah. Can't reset. Yeah, not system reset.
Yeah. So so you're gonna go. Oh, so you're gonna go through the whole board, huh?
No.
Man, you still don't know how to play.
I played like once in a blue moon.
Every blue moon. Me too.
All I need is the six button controller. That's what I want. 6-button controller.
I never. Y'all saw that? I told y'all he said. I wish Shamika was watching. I told y'all he said. All right, hit that tree. No, not that tree. Hit the other one, right there.
Oh, that's it.
There you go. This Reginald's favorite Sonic game. My cousin.
I know.
He watching. Well, he ain't watching right now while I'm live. What's so funny? Man, I could play this game better than you, man. Don't you know how many times I played this in my life? Mm-hmm. So many times. When I was living in New Iberia, I played this a whole lot. What?
Let me do it.
Huh?
What
Well,
hey, you want to
no, you play it.
Yeah. You want to play?
No, not right now. All right. I'll wait till I do my recording or wait and
Before you don't trust me?
I trust you, man. I trust you, but well, he want me to play, y'all.
I want to play.
Well, all right, I'm gonna play then. Pause it first. All right, I'm gonna play it. All right, you got it, face.
I got it.
Piece of cake, bro. Oh snap! Oh, if I lose, it's your fault. No, see what you did, bro. You
Like you're doing that on purpose.
No, I'm not doing it on purpose. You made me get in. Well, he told me to get hit, y'all. Oh, shoot. I almost fell out. You saw that?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. But this controller is kind of tricky, though, you know?
That's why I need the 6-button controller.
Well, 6 button, a 7 button.
7 button?
Yeah, it's a 7 button. Oh, what? There's something over there. Let me see this. Oh, you almost made me lose, bro.
Oh wow.
If I'd have lost, it would have been your fault. Yeah, it would have been this fault, y'all. So, Shamik, if you're watching, well, I don't know if she gonna watch this.
Ain't nobody watching right now.
Well, once I upload this to YouTube, though.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, it's getting faster. You know that?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh shit. Oh, I see what you did.
Did that on purpose.
No, you did it on purpose.
Look at him.
What?
Doing it on purpose.
Well, I forfeit, bro. You want to play?
That be something else.
All right. You forfeit?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
All right. All right. Did this it for this for this Facebook Live here? You know. So anything you want to say, True? I'm gonna say Randy TV.
Subscribe to my channel.
All right.
TV.
All right. So you don't want to be seen, but you're seen anyway. All right. Bye bye.